Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on downloading and installing Skype on your computer. So, to find Skype, the Skype website on the internet, the first thing I'm going to do is start with our friend Google, and I'm just going to type in the word Skype, S-K-Y-P-E, and search for that. Let's see what it gives us. So here you can see a few options. I'm going to go straight for Get Skype. You can click on the first link there, which will give you a bit of a guided tour and show you the various attributes of Skype. But we're going to go straight for Download Skype or Get Skype. And as you can see, you can install Skype on all kinds of various devices, mobile phones and so on. And down the bottom of the screen here, we've got step-by-step instructions if you forget what to do. And right down the bottom, we've got a little flashing orange bar. There's asking us to save a little file that the Skype website is going to install on our computer. And so I'm going to click on Save As, which will give me the option of choosing where I'm going to install this little file, and I'm going to put it on the desktop because the desktop is a nice, easy place to search for files that we've got on our computer. And there you can see the Skype file. Very quick, just installed that or downloaded that onto my desktop. And in order to install that program on my computer, I'm just going to click on, I'll double click on the icon there, which will start the installation process. And here we go. So first thing to do is choose language. Well, obviously we're going to go for English, because unfortunately Welsh isn't available yet. And here we go. And so we need to create a new account. If this is something that's new to you, if you've not been creating accounts on websites and so on, then it may be worth you having a look at our other tutorial, creating an account. So we'll skip through this process fairly quickly. So it's asking me for my first name. I'm going to use a fake name for now. Just going to call myself Cavs, because that's where I work. And my last name is going to be Demo. My email address is going to be a genuine email address. That's my alid@cavs.org.uk. Obviously you would put in your email address, and you, in fact, you'd put in your real first and last names as well. It's asking me to repeat my email address just in case I made a mistake, because it's quite an important bit of information. It'll compare the two versions just to be sure. And now it's asking me for my birth date. I'm just making this up for the purposes of the demo. I am male. I live in the United Kingdom, and I'm based in Carmarthen. You can put your mobile phone number if you wish, but there's no need. I'm going to be using it mainly for personal conversations. And then I'm going to choose a Skype name. And I've chosen, or actually it's suggested, based on my name and last name that I gave, it suggested cavs.demo as a Skype name I might like to use, and I'm going to go with that. And it's going to ask me for a password. This is the password I give it. And with those two bits of information, it can identify me. It can make sure that I am who I say I am. And again, it asks me to repeat the password, just to be on the safe side in case there are any spelling mistakes or errors. It compares the two attempts to make sure. And as a password, I've just chosen Cavs Demo. Easy to remember. Obviously, you would choose your own Skype name and your own password. Now we come to the bit I hate about creating any account, is this captcha system, which is there to prevent any unauthorized use of the website, and to prevent any computers or computer viruses from creating accounts and spreading mayhem. And as you can see, sometimes they are exceptionally difficult to read. But you do get the option, if you click on refresh, it gives you the option of choosing or refreshing the picture until you find one that maybe you can understand. So I think we'll go with this. We can see that, yes, we have an I there, a couple of L's, an A, a T, an S and an E. And the second word obviously is cloth. You pop those in, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I got that right. Yep. Looks like it's going to accept that. And here we go. Takes us on to the next stage. Thank you for registering with Skype. It gives me the option here to upgrade to the paid version where you can make all kinds of additional phone calls, but we're not going to need that. The idea of Skype for me is that it's free. And yeah, so